Let's Decode AI for Senior Leaders program. Who is this program designed for?
This program is for senior leaders with 12 plus years of experience. So basically, we're talking about CXOs, VPs, business unit heads, and senior managers.
What problems does this program solve?
The primary goal of this program is to help senior leaders evaluate AI proposals, negotiate better with AI vendors, and also make AI strategic decisions with confidence.
If someone is an absolute non-tech person, is this program relevant to them?
Absolutely. Most of our senior leader participants are not from non-tech backgrounds, and this program is absolutely fine if you do not have any kind of technical background.
Does it focus more on strategy or technology?
Naturally on strategy, because that's what senior leaders need.
Is generative AI included in the curriculum?
Absolutely, Kirtana. You cannot have an AI program without generative AI.
Are real business use cases discussed?
Yes, the goal is to learn AI and apply it in solving real-world problems across multiple verticals and domains.
Does this program include hands-on projects or theory?
It's a combination of both. We teach theory and also help our participants pick a problem and solve it by themselves.
Are AI risks and ethics covered?
Absolutely, we have a module for them in our program.
Can I apply these learnings immediately at work?
If you take this program seriously, trust me, at the end of the 5th week, you'll be hitting the road running.
That sounds interesting. Senior leaders have Udemy, Coursera, and all these in-house courses. Why should they consider your program?
Most of those programs are very long and participants lose motivation midway. Ours is a structured 5-week program where you complete it in a time-bound manner and you also learn from your peers and colleagues who are senior leaders themselves.
What makes this program different from other AI programs?
This is a carefully curated, structured program for senior leaders developed by AI practitioners and senior leaders like me. Secondly, we have spoken to over 100 senior leaders to understand what their needs are and tailor-made this program to help them achieve their success goals. Thirdly, we invite AI industry leaders and experts who come and share their learnings with the participants, which gives them a 360-degree learning experience.
Oh, that sounds complete. Have you done any such programs earlier?
Yes, I have been doing an AI upskilling program for corporates and working professionals for over a year now.
Why this program?
So basically what I figured out is that senior leaders have different needs. Their pace of learning is different and also what they expect from the program is different. They don't need to know about gradient descent and transformer architectures. What they want to know is the ability to evaluate AI proposals, make decisions.
What's the definition of success when I complete this program?
By the end of this program, given any new AI problem statement, you should be confident enough to formulate the problem statement, identify your solution, brainstorm with your peers and your team, and come up with a solution. If you are able to do that, that's the picture of success.
Oh, that's perfect. What's one big achievement that I'll be proud of after this program?
At the end of this program, you'll feel a difference. You'll realize that you're way ahead of your peers who are still dreaming of learning AI.
Looking forward for the program, Vijender.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you so much.